The next thing we're going to go over is setting up a Z live head holder. So right now we have an X called up, so we're going to call up holder set, and we're going to go over to Z spindle unit. So there's a couple different spindle units here. They all look the same in the picture, so that can be confusing to many people. What this is doing is we actually have a different dimension from the face of the turret to center line on all of these holders. So that's where the tool pattern page is really going to come in useful, so we'll be able to tell which holder it is. So if it doesn't match here and it's aftermarket, say you're going with a Heimatech holder or something different, obviously you can't match the number on the holder itself. So what we're going to do is we can just call up a spindle unit. We're going to come over here, we're going to hit input. It says entered data will be set, are you sure? We're going to hit yes. So our offset number here, we're just going to use tool 6. Let's just confirm that we actually have tool 6 available. We're going to hit offset number. Looks like it's available, so I'm going to go up to it. I'm going to hit input. That'll set offset number 6. Because it's facing the main spindle, we are not going to be able to use it on the sub spindle at all. So we have to make sure that the orientation is correct for what we're doing. This is going to be correct for what we're doing in this situation. So now that that is set, we're going to come over to tool pattern here. Now tool pattern on tool 6, we're going to confirm that the X is correct. So this is correct for what I am using here. If it is different, if that's not correct and you know that it doesn't come out to center line here, we can go back into holder set. Tool 6, we're going to hit tab to go back over to our holder page over here. And then we're going to go down to Z spindle unit 3. We're going to hit input. It says enter data will be set, are you sure? Yes. I'm still going to use offset 6, so I'm just going to type in 6 and hit input because I know that's available. And now I'm going to hit tool pattern again. So in this case, you can see it went from 5.1 to 5.6. So this is a different dimension from the face of the turret to the center line of the tool. This is a pretty factory standard dimension. If you know that it's different, all we would have to do is either touch it off an X and indicate it, or we can come in here to diameter and we can just type in the number that we know is off. So if we knew that it was 200 off, for example, we can just go into manual set. We can type in minus 0.2 and we can adjust it that way easily. In this specific example, we know that we need to go back to our holder set and set this back to what we originally had. So we're going to go Z spindle unit 2. We're going to hit input. Enter data will be set, are you sure? Yes. We're going to type in 6. And now we're going to reset this back to 0 so we can hit clear. It says clear the current cursor position data. We're going to hit yes. So that'll set us back to 0 there. We're going to go into measure set. And then we're going to scroll over diameter here, and we're just going to hold cycle start again. And the machine is going to start moving. It'll move back to a safe position to rotate the turret, and then move in, and we're ready to touch the tool off just like the previous tool.